Hi everyone, so this creamy Tuscan chicken is one skillet dish that is so rich and satisfying. It's low carb, keto friendly, and sure to be a hit thanks to the creamy flavorful sauce. To start, we'll take 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs and cut them on about 1-inch cubes. You can also use chicken breasts instead of chicken thighs for this recipe, and it works just as well. So after it is finished, make sure you have all your ingredients gathered and measured, because when you start making the sauce, you probably won't have time for that, especially when you're making it for the first time. Take a large pan, then add olive oil in, and when the pan is nice and hot, add the chicken. Give it a quick mix. And after that, let's season it with half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix it again. It's important to mix it from time to time so it wouldn't get burnt. When the chicken is cooked and have some nice brown color, remove from the heat and place into a bowl. Oh, it already starts to smell incredible. Now we're gonna start making the sauce. Let's add to the pan 3/4 cup of chicken broth, then 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, one teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and give it a mix. When it starts to boil, add half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Now let's add back in the pan the chicken that we cooked earlier. Mix it in and cook until you see that the sauce starts to thicken. The last step is to add 2 handfuls of spinach and cook until wilted. That's it, dinner is served. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days, and the best way to heat it up is in the non-stick frying pan with just a little bit of chicken broth added, so that the sauce will be the same consistency as when it's fresh. I really hope you enjoyed my video on how to make Tuscan chicken. I can't wait for you to give it a try and report back on what you think about this recipe. And if you're looking for more delicious keto recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for future recipes. Bye!